Yes?
Who is this?
What number are you trying to reach?
I don't know.
I think you might have the wrong number.
Do I?
It happens. Take it easy. Hello?
I'm sorry. I guess I dialed the wrong number.
So why'd you dial it again?
To apologize.
You're forgiven. Bye now.
Wait. Don't hang up.
What do you want?
I hear you're into making movies.
Yeah. Why?
Do you know what's coming up?
Scream 4?
What's that noise?
I'm making popcorn.
I only eat popcorn at the movies.
Yeah, well, I'm about to watch the final cut of the short film I was in.
Really? Were you the crazy blonde girl?
How do you know I was blonde?
Every scary movie has a crazy blonde in it.
Well, it wasn't a scary movie.
Do you like scary movies?
I do.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Halloween. You know, Michael Myers, but only the first two. After that, they kind of went crazy. What about you?
Yes.
Hellraiser?
Is that the one where the demon comes up from hell with pins coming out of his head?
Yeah, Pinhead.
Pinhead, that's right. I liked that movie. It was awesome how he tortured his victims.
Yeah, but same with that one. First few were worth the watch. But I gotta go now, so.
Wait! Do you have a boyfriend?
Why are you asking? You wanna ask me out?
Maybe. So, do you?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you wanna know my name?
Because I want to know who I'm looking at.
What did you say?
I said, I want to know who I'm talking to.
That's not what you said. Listen, I gotta go now.
Don't you?
Listen, asshole!
No! You listen, you little witch! If you hang up on me again, I'll gut you like a fish, understand?
Is this some kind of joke?
More of a game, really.
What do you want?
I want to play a game.
No! Alright, my boyfriend's coming and he's gonna kick your ass!
I thought you didn't have one.
I lied!
His name wouldn't be Nick, would it?
How do you know his name?
Go to your kitchen patio and turn on the light again.
Oh god, Nick!
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Oh, please don't hurt him.
That all depends on you.
What do you want?
I told you. I want to play a game.
No!
Then he dies right now! You ready?
Yes.
Here we go. You said you were part of the movie. What's your favorite film festival?
I don't know.
Nick is counting on you.
When were you get a set amount of time to create a film with your team?
Explain.
You get prompts and you go off with your team to create a film.
Ding, ding, ding! Correct! Second question.
No, please.
Which timed film festival has the best experience and prizes for filmmakers?
The 48-hour film festival.
I'm sorry. That's the wrong answer.
No, it's not.
Afraid not. No way.
No, I was in that one. I know I was.
You mean the festival where you pay over $100 and get a certificate with your name on it if you win? That doesn't have an epic award ceremony?
There isn't another film festival that does better by filmmakers.
Wrong! There is one festival that gives the best experience.
What festival?
The 72-hour Kick-Ass Film Fest in Pueblo, Colorado.
You tricked me!
Lucky for you, there's a bonus round. But poor Nick, I'm afraid he's out.
No!
Final question.
Leave me alone.
If you answer this right, I will. Out of all the doors in your house, which one am I behind?
I'm not playing. Kill me if you have to.
Your call.
Why?
You should have registered for the 72-hour Kick-Ass Film Fest. Registration open December 1st.
Yo, Travis!
What's up? What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?